Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Upland in bright white. With black headlamp bezel finish, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black daylight opening moldings, black lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 42,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 4049B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.